On this gasoline alley, we're doing another mod to my 2018 GMC Sierra. So I've got my GMC Sierra here, and oftentimes I'm actually wheeling vehicles up into the bed of the truck. But as you can see, the truck that I got has just a bare aluminum bed. And rather than doing an entire bed liner, because I'm not carrying that kind of gear in the back, I've gone ahead and I've ordered up one of these Dee Zee bed mats. So this is a real heavyweight rubber bed mat that's actually going to roll out right into the bed of the truck and make this heck of a lot more rugged and also a lot grippier. Because basically I'm loading utility vehicles kind of like that into the bed of the truck, and so having some extra grip is going to help make that a heck of a lot safer, and it's also not going to move around in case of braking. Now I'll have down in the description below some links. This truck has the 8-foot bed, but of course I'm going to do some links for the 6-foot bed as well. But let me go ahead and unpackage this and I'll let you know what I think. So with it pulled out of the packaging, it actually looks pretty nice quality. I'm amazed at how thick this is for just how reasonable this costs. But so basically on the back side here, you can see it's got these dimples, and these dimples are going to help make sure that it doesn't slide around when it's in the truck bed. And then on the other side, you're going to have these gription treads, which are going to give some area for water to come out and that sort of thing. But I've got our caliper here, and I'm going to go ahead and see what this measures out to. So the bed mat is actually going to measure out to be, that's actually pretty thick. It's just under 9 millimeters, so 8.68 there. So this is relatively thick. It is pretty heavy too. So my expectation is this should hold up well. Now before we go ahead and put this inside of the truck bed, it's a good idea to go ahead and sweep out the back of your truck just to make sure there's no junk left in there. And then after that, it should be just as simple as rolling this out into the bed. So this is a look at the Dee Zee bed mat rolled out into the bed of the truck. As you can see, it's pretty nice as far as how well the cut works. You can see it cuts around the wheel well. It does a good job of kind of sealing in the truck, and it will settle in just a little bit because just as you use it, being rolled up tight like that, I am surprised at how easy it rolled out. But overall, this looks super nice, and that's going to make it quite a bit better in the bed of the truck. Thanks for watching this video on the Dee Zee rubber bed mat for a GMC Sierra or Chevy Silverado. Go ahead and let me know your thoughts down in the comment section below. Love to hear what you think about this. I think it's a pretty nice buy. I definitely think the quality is there. And if you want one for yourself, I do have them linked down in the description below. I've got them for both the 6-foot and the 8-foot version. Go ahead and use those links if you want to. They do help out the channel. Also, be sure to hit the like button if you enjoyed the video, as well as hit the subscribe button. That way you can see more videos like this into the future.